If you are a commercial photographer, a landscape specialist, or a cinematic videographer working at the absolute peak of your craft, then resolution is your religion. It is the raw data that separates good work from jaw-dropping mastery. For years, Sony's R series has been the undisputed king of detail. But the king's crown needs a new jewel. The A7R VI, while incredible, is merely a foundation. What I have for you today isn't a simple upgrade. It's a quantum leap. It is the camera that will make every other camera released this year feel instantly obsolete. This is the truth behind the mythical, the boundary-shattering, Sony Alpha A7R VI. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've been tracking patents, talking to supply chain managers, and validating the most aggressive leaks in the camera industry. The A7R VI is not just about more megapixels. It's about eliminating the compromises that have plagued high-resolution shooters for decades: speed, low-light performance, and video capability. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to dissect the 3 technological miracles that will define the A7R VI and your future work. The 80-megapixel global shutter hybrid, the sensor breakthrough that delivers zero rolling shutter and unprecedented detail. The AI Vision Accelerator, the focusing system that is not just smarter, but truly predictive. The 8K/60p Masterpiece Engine, the cooling and codec revolution that finally makes high-resolution video usable. Let's start with the feature that will make headlines: the sensor. The leaks are pointing toward a new, custom-designed 80-megapixel XMR BSI CMOS sensor. But wait, that's not the revolutionary part. The breakthrough here is the rumored integration of partial global shutter technology. Think about the problems you face shooting fast action or strobe lighting in a studio. Rolling shutter distortion and banding. The A7R VI is rumored to use a hybrid architecture that virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion in its electronic shutter mode. This means you can shoot 80-megapixel action stills at lightning-fast speeds with a perfectly distortion-free image. This is the 80-megapixel global shutter hybrid, and it redefines what high resolution is capable of. This massive resolution demands a radical processing engine. The A7R VI is rumored to feature not just dual Bions XR processors, but a third, dedicated AI processor. This is the AI Vision Accelerator. This chip is entirely focused on object recognition and tracking. It doesn't just recognize a human eye. It processes the subtle twitch of muscle and the direction of a glance, predicting the movement before it happens. This results in tack-sharp focus in situations that would confuse every other camera on the market. We're talking about 9.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, the highest ever seen in a full-frame body, working in tandem with this AI core to make sharp 80MP shots handheld a reality, not a prayer. Now, let's talk about the impossible video leaks. The R series has traditionally prioritized stills, but the A7R VI is poised to become the most advanced hybrid video camera ever made. We are talking about the 8K/60p Masterpiece Engine. The leaks are insistent. The A7R VI will deliver uncropped 8K video at 60 frames per second, recorded internally in a 10-bit 4:2:2 codec.